My bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. Trading in the sim because I used all my cash pre-market. My bad for not having my volume up. Trading in the sim, we're gonna be rocking what I expect to be doing after I am over PDT, which is gonna be 1,000 share blocks. So see what's going on. Let's get some practice in. Let's get some reps in. Let's get some reps in a slow market. CMCT is tricky. Maybe I have a bias because it got me pre-market. Need my DAS to be up to make sure I'm not accidentally roasting my account. I wonder if I can use a number pad. $73. If we're gonna practice though, I need this to be as legit as possible. I'll tell you right now, my mindset's already different because I feel like I have I have unlimited trades, which is probably the same feeling I would get after being over PDT. I feel like I don't have to be as accurate. Whoa! I just missed a lower band. Okay, I don't think I can use that hotkey. Can't use that hotkey either. Shift 8. I got Shift 8. Huh. Why? Alright, I might have to get on Dash Trader support here. Let me see what's going on. It's always some shit, man. Live chat support. What's this called? market open, nothing great's happening anyways, so. What is this? This is, two cell phones, Mr. Mother. Yo, what's up? Been watching since COVID. Thanks, homie. So you've known quite the roller coaster of my fun pre-kids and now me trading post-kids. BBAI? Oh, nice. I'm on with chat support right now because it's not letting me. I used all my buying power pre-market to reset buying power and equity highlight. So I'm trying to practice in a simulator, but Dash Trader is messing up. To restart your buying power and equity, highlight the account row of the demo account and accounts window. Okay. Then right click. Daily. Oh, baby. I think that worked. Let's test this out. Plug EZ, I really appreciate you being here for so many years. I feel like I'm having a real hard time being the trader that I used to be. But we'll get there. I think the psychological problem of not being over PDT is, we'll get there eventually. It's just it's taken longer than I would like. And we all know trading is mostly an emotional game. I just gotta get myself in check. All right, for any of you that missed the commentary before, I'm gonna trade like I'm over PDT. With 1,000 share blocks. This should be happening around February of next year with this kind of block size. I need to test this hotkey real quick. Did it work? Did not work. Shift 8. Oh, that hotkey worked. Oh, but it doesn't track it? Does it not track? Let's try that again. Shift 8. Oops. Shift 8. Okay. Oh, it does track it. I wonder why it didn't track it before. There's no way I was absolutely break even on the first trade. I mean, I guess that's a possibility. It does track it. That's cool. What's up, Garf? Just came back like last week. I'll be tuning in again. Hope to see you. Thanks, Garf. Appreciate you, dude. We probably won't be streaming live too often, but we'll be here for show. Come on down. Front side move. I wonder why this isn't on my scanners yet. Look for near 7 here. Buyer 710. Nice, Garf. Let's go. Nicely done. Yeah, I don't really have too much work to do today, so I'm here hanging out with y'all. I'm going to put this over here so I can see where I'm at. What else do we have moving? BCIG, no. SLRX. No. Lucy. For anybody that is not familiar with the standard disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I guess I have to say that when I'm live. But if I do get a work call, I will have to jump off. Says you wanna roll with me in Oklahoma. Buyer 706. Also remember this stream is going to be slightly delayed, so you might be a minute candle or two ahead of me. So don't be trying to copy anything over here. Especially because I'm struggling as a trader. But you should never copy me anyways, but. 2 cell phones, Mr. Mother. Lower band. Chop. Lucy. Why is BBIG not on my scanners? What's the float? Or no, BB. Oh, it's because it has 436 million shares outstanding. No wonder. That's huge. Okay, so if I was strictly practicing this, I wouldn't be trading this. This is not something to trade for me. Is this stream coming out clear? Is this clear for you guys? Yeah, it's pretty clear. All right, so if we're strictly trying to practice, then I don't need to be trading that. V or FF FTCI. $10.50. FTCI. Trading higher if the company reported Q3 results above estimates. Let's see if we get a pullback to 950. Nice rejection off this $10 area would be nice. Fairly wicky over here. Says you wanna roll with me and smoke up on my hair. 950, come on. More, a little more. Ooh, 11-cent spread, huh? What is kind of cool about DAS is I could switch back to live trading in my live account, in my real account, with just the hotkeys. So if I just hit a different hotkey, I could use actual real buying power. But I mean, I hardly have any buying power to do anything with, but maybe I should consider that. Some of these other times that I have more opportunities to trade the market open, even if I don't have cash to do it with. Man, slow day. I'm down way too big for this day to be this slow. That is a shame. Thanks, Garf. Appreciate you. SLRX. Mentally, I feel like I kind of snowballed today after my fumbled hotkey on CMCT, which happened like here, I think. Here, this one. A little bit of it's a little bit of a problem. That's all right. Live to trade another day. All right, drop any tickers that y'all are watching, because these ain't doing it for me. What's going on here? NVA. And 5-cent spread. Buyers there 11.70. I don't think you guys are even going to be able to see what position I take, even if I take one. I guess I'll just have to articulate it. 9-cent spread. What's the dailies look like here? Blue sky over 1628. Kind of weird open. Jumped on BBI by, missed most of it. Everything else is like either higher or not moving. Yeah, I know. That's what it seems like too. It's kind of what I'm feeling too. I'm glad you're feeling the same. Kind of makes... Oh, hold on. 12. Stalling out at 12. See if the spreads get tighter here. What did I get in at? Oh, this is weird. I tried to hit it at 12. What did I get in at? I got at 12.11. Cutting it. What did it cut me at? All right, so it seems the simulator is kind of slow. It's kind of hard to practice with it being that slow. This is my first time using it though, so this is, I mean, it's still fun. Yeah, Garf, I know. I feel like the higher stocks I just get roasted on too. But I feel like eventually, if I'm over PDT, I feel like some of the biggest moves are up in like, when the stock goes from like 4 to 8 to 12. And right now my sweet spot's kind of between like 2 and 5. So I really got to figure out how to get better between 8, 12, 16, and then I'd probably cap it at like 20. But I definitely feel you there. I guess what I'm saying is I just don't want to. I need to get my skills better in the higher price stocks because I don't want to not be able to trade them down the road. Or maybe I should just focus on the ones I'm good at. I don't know. Maybe I just dial in the edge. Kind of go back and forth, I guess. This one's kind of slow. About 6 million shares traded. Got me at 30 cents an L on that, 211, so it got me out at... How is that even possible? There's like nothing to trade. This is not fun. What's the general market doing? Well, that is probably why. Let's go to the daily. Oh, that's a lot of stuff that's hard to see. What happened with the government shutdown? Let me see. I thought they were opening back up. Detach. Let's get some TV on. Switch gadget. Trader TV. Don't want Schwab. We'll go with this one. I thought the government was supposed to open up. What's Lucy doing? Garf, are you set on that? Are you set on that $7? Or are you willing to kind of adapt above that, depending on market conditions? Sell RX. Oh, CMCT on that. Gross. Gross. Absolutely gross. LPTX. What up, homie? LPTX. Penny stocks. I don't really like penny stocks, but we can absolutely practice with it. Might as well, right? LPTX. I'll be back in like... Let me show this real quick. I don't think I've showed this yet. So, forgot to put that up earlier. Get desperate, of course. I think statistically it's just been better to stick into across the board. Yeah, I hear you on that. Following the metrics. Alright, so this one's kind of riding EMA. Let's see if maybe we... Penny stocks. I don't know. My strategy's not great for penny stocks. I don't think. But, let's practice with it. Oh, dang, Victor. I feel you on that one. What happened on AMZE? Hey, at least you're green, though. Green's good. I'm assuming it probably happened here. Nope, actually it probably happened here. Did it happen 3 minutes into the open? Because I can see how it probably felt like AMZE was going to take off over 90 cents right there after that second candle. Pretty much reclaim that whole wick. Both? Oh, I've got you. But up 200, dude, I'd take that for sure. I'm down like 200 today. Throwing hundreds. Held a bit too long. Yeah, what's your average hold time for your losers? Let's hit that. Let's hit that there. Well, yo, that's not showing up on my when the trade doesn't show up, it really throws me off. I gotta look over at my dash to see what's going on. See what average price I got in at and stuff. Like, how am I supposed to do that and watch level 2? This is not great practice. This is not great practice. Maybe I hit it, see what they filled me at, and then go back to level 2. That's probably what I should do. Or totally forget about that and just watch level 2, because I know, I guess, more or less what price I should be getting filled at and what should I be, exiting. But I was trying to play that EMA bounce. Took 3 trades and got flushed. Oh, ouch. Yeah, that's not fun. That's not fun. Sorry to hear that. BAIG. Oh, that's a pretty... Wait, what candle did I just see? That one. 72 cents to 76 cents. LPTX got 56,000 shares outstanding. Thanks for the like. I appreciate y'all. Or I appreciate you, whoever did it. Thanks, dude. What we got going on over here? Play that over maybe 1180. Oh, spread's already at 88. 10-cent spread. So 1190. I need to buy the bid hotkey on this paper account. I don't have one. Yeah, I don't have one. Let's go, Victor. Let's go. Yeah, you absolutely will be able to. That's absolutely true. What's been your biggest win this month so far? What stock? And what day? You trade pre-market or market open? So many fun questions for that. Victor, this one's a penny stock too. Do you only trade penny stocks? That's another question for you. Yeah, pre-market is the best. Yeah, I've been starting. I don't know if you've been following my journey, how closely, but I'm 21 days starting to try to trade pre-market, and trade what's moving unless it's too expensive. Nice. I had good success at the beginning, but now the last like 2 weeks, I've struggled pretty hard with pre-market. I guess because when it's slow and I'm seeing a news drop, of course there's no guarantee that it's going to go up, but I'm trying to jump on that momentum and that 1 minute to make a new high pretty much as soon as possible. And I'm getting wrecked on these topping tails. Well, I guess today I should consider today an anomaly because that was a hotkey issue. I thought that trade was green and it ended up being my biggest red trade of the day. Plug easy. Are you talking about like a long-term hold? I'm not sure. I don't really do long-term holds anymore. Said you wanna roll with me. Victor, you trading the news? Like, are you trading the news drop at 6 a.m., 6:30, 7? It's another slight hindrance, I guess, because I'm only here at 6 a.m. and 6:30. I can't catch the 7 a.m. news drops. So if something good pops up, I miss it. Nice. Yeah, those are the same. Those are, give or take a few of those. 7 a.m. Central Standard Time or Eastern Time. I mean, that's pretty much the same parameters that I watch as well. So because if you start at 7 a.m. Central Time, you start an hour after me. And I think that's the last 2 weeks. That's been when the best movers have been happening around 7 a.m. But I'm interested if you're saying 7 a.m. Central Time or 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Because if I could save myself an hour, well, no, I wouldn't be able to trade 7 a.m. Central still. Bands make a dance. Oh, you're from Spain. All right. So, what time is it in Spain? What time is it in Spain right now? Dude, I want to live in Spain. It's 4:04 p.m. Dang, dude, it's almost dinner time over there. I'm having my morning coffee. 7 a.m. New York. Okay, so you are starting at 6 a.m. Central Standard Time. So we are starting at the same time. But it seems like the news drops have been happening at 8 a.m. New York time. Or at least the better news drops the last 2 weeks have been happening at 8 a.m. the last 2 weeks. But I've been getting roasted at 7 a.m. and 7:30 these last 2 weeks. Yeah, man. I heard Spain's beautiful. I haven't been. Been to Italy. Been to, where have I been? Let's see. Santorini, Athens, London, Crete. Is that it? I think that's it on that side of the water. Everything else is pretty much Central America. 300. Oh, you're going to help me with that military time, though. What do I got? It's minus 12. So you trade for 2 hours. So you trade from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. So you pretty much trade the whole pre-market. Is it really? Barcelona's the most dangerous city in Europe? No way. My parents were just there. I had no idea. Wow, I wonder why that is. Why is that? Give me your non-political best. Well, I guess it could be political, but if it's political, if the real answer is political, then I guess it could be, but I had no idea. I had no idea that Barcelona. It's all the wild soccer fans, isn't it? What are they called? They're called the I did a report my freshman year of college. I'm aging myself. That was 2010. Hooligans? Are they called hooligans? Oh, really? Mugging. Interesting. I think that happens a lot in London too. Or at least so I'm told. So the news tells me, although the news isn't really credible. That's why I ask people for their own personal opinion. All right, fellas. We got nothing here. We got nothing here. Is anything on front side? Well, at least this is one of those days that I'm glad I didn't trade the market open because there's nothing. Well, I guess it probably would have saved me $200. Victor, what are you up on the year? If you don't mind me asking. Are you over PDT? I'm slowly depositing more money every month into the account without changing share size dramatically, because I don't want to shock myself with the share size of a L and then spiral. But estimated February, it depends on how much money I lose between now and February, is when I should be over PDT. Oh, cool. I can do a members only live stream, schedule live stream to switch to. Oh, that's cool. Poll, Q&A. Dude, I haven't been on YouTube live in forever. They got some new stuff up in here. Moderations, timestamps, pop out chat. Let's do that. That's cool. How do I put the pop-up chat back now? 58K, let's go, dude. Nice. Very nice. All right, how do I put my chat back? Says you wanna roll with me and smoke up on my way. So do you live in Barcelona? It is hooligans, right? That's the crazy wild soccer fans. Let me look it up. Hooliganism. No. Oh, maybe. This is from Indonesia? Oh, football hooliganism, also known as football rioting, constitutes violence and other destructive behavior. Alright, so I guess I wasn't too far off the mark. Uh-oh, I don't know where my chat went. There it is. Bang, bang. Alright, hit that VWAP bounce. This is not great practice. Not great practice. What did I get filled at? Got it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, fellas, there's really no front side action, so there's nothing really for me to practice on. So, I'm out. Victor, good chatting with you, my dude. Stay in touch. Stay in touch. I hope your trading journey continues to be a rock star. Most of the profit is pre-market. I have a problem that I trade. The market open and I see there's really good momentum. Pre-market already trade. Yeah, I feel you there. What up, Wensbro? Wensbro, we're just heading out, my dude. We're not seeing any. I'm not seeing any front side action, so we dipping. Garf, later, buddy. Good to chat with you. Always good to see you, my friend. Y'all stay in touch. Peace.